You don't know shit.
Let me ask you a question, because Luke doesn't know shit about the world. We found out that Luke is just a youngster. He doesn't know shit. Who says yoga fire and yoga flame?
Yeah, who says? Yoga fire. Yoga flame. Who says that?
I don't know.
You don't know.
They're probably dead.
Dalsim from Street Fighter.
One. Fight. Over fire.
You don't know
shit.
What did he know about the stretchy arms? Nothing.
Nothing.
You don't know. You lame them with the stretchy arms. When they try and jump over, yoga fire.
Exactly. Or you use Chun-Li to throw loads of kicks at him. That's the only way to beat him because she's too fast for the other characters.
When I've drunk this and you get yoga fired, what are you going to do?
What are you going to do?
Nothing.
Yeah.
You don't know shit. These youngsters don't know
He
shit.
thinks he works for us, you're yoga fired.
He's probably dead by now.
What?
Dalsim never dies.
What? How can you go through life you don't know about yoga fire?
Oh, Sue.
Yoga fire.
If Zangief was here,
I bet you a lot of people watching don't know about yoga fire.
Everyone knows.
everyone knows. The world knows about Street Fighter 2. You're the only person who doesn't know.
Yoga fire.
You are, in
Bro,
fact,
that was my whole childhood.
a geek.
Button
Button
bashing.
bashing.
Hard, man.
Button
Chun-Li
bashing.
button bash. It works.